Since the beginning, CNC routers have been complicated and only accessible to people with a deep technical understanding. This changes with CNC One. We spent the last year rethinking CNC machining, creating a unique experience that empowers even beginners to machine beautiful projects on day one. Usability was not the only goal. We developed the first affordable router that uses advanced industrial technologies, enabling you to machine ideas 4 times faster than other CNCs. Create amazing things on your own, make others and yourself happy, or start a business.
Normally, if you buy a CNC, you're pretty much left on your own, and that was a big problem for me because I had no clue at all about CNC machines. And the great thing about CNC One is that they just take you by the hand. You can learn everything in their free CNC One Academy. I mean, look at this. Me, a total beginner doing this on day one, I think that's amazing.
Controlling CNC One is magical. Use your laptop, your smartphone, or the built-in touchscreen. Your choice. All wireless and all dust-free. No other CNC router allows you to do this. The idea of CNC One started because we weren't happy with existing machines. As engineers, we work for German manufacturing companies and therefore with big industrial CNCs. For our own projects, we needed a powerful machine that is still affordable. But $50,000 or more for an industrial CNC, or $2,000–$3,000 for a machine that is slow and produces poor quality, no way. So we developed CNC One, an affordable router that is easy and powerful.
Seit 2 Jahren verkaufe ich meine Produkte online. Irgendwann waren es aber mehr Bestellungen, als ich so mit meinen Händen fertigen konnte. Heute ist alles einfacher. Mit CNC One habe ich quasi meinen ersten Mitarbeiter, der definitiv schneller und präziser arbeitet, als ich es mit meinen Händen schaffe. Vor allem die Präzision macht es möglich, dass ich heute nach Kundenwunsch fertige, was vorher so nicht möglich war. Mit CNC One kann man echt krasse Sachen machen.